Yes, we're here again, Plumber TV, here feeding the goats today, early in the morning. They're a bit violent. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. There she is, beautiful girl. Some people are scared right now. Some people are feeding. They're going into the grass. Our chaffing machine is kind of down, so just cut some regular grass, feeding them. And girls are excited, seeing that they weren't really hungry this morning because I just fed them. I guess there is some good flavor in this grass over here. So over here we have some feed, corn mixed with some feed. Okay. Over here, the big girl, she looks happy. She's feeding. Here at Hotel Plumber Farms. Come, get out, Shop, get out. Say good morning. You enjoying the food? Good morning. There's an excited girl over there. She's going into the food because it's lovely. You want to say something? Say something. Say something, girl. Don't want to talk? So excited on this side. Wonder what's going on. Seems as if they have a tussle on that side. Whoa. What is that? Is that a candy? They are going into it. See what's happening with these girls over here. So these girls over here. Say hello to Plumber TV. Say hello to Plumber TV. Say hello to Plumber TV. Say hi Plumber TV. Like, subscribe, share. That one doesn't want to speak to the camera. Say good morning. Hotel Plumber Farms. How is it? How's the food? Everybody is busy. Oh Lord, it looks tasty. So this one seems as if there is something better inside of that chaff. They're eating it from the back. Okay. Read the voice. Morning, boss. What go on? Say something for the camera. Yo. Say something for the camera. Doesn't want to talk. Doesn't want to talk. Lovely lady. Top boss, him full up them water, you know? Alright, check the board them and see what they're on. The man had the little food out here. Crazy. Crazy. Yes, people, here at Plumber TV, here are just some small farmers. Remember to support us by like, subscribing and sharing our videos. Morning time on the farm. These two girls, always looking fine. Coming to you from Plumber Farm. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Alright? Like, subscribe and share. Two lovely ladies. Number 3 and number 4. There's a lovely brownie. Brownie, please say hi to the fans, someone, please. Say good morning. Say good morning. Lovely lady, recently acquired. She's said to be pregnant. Say hello for the people, Brownie. Say hello for the Plumber TV. Not gonna talk to us? Really? Not gonna. That's what they're doing for the fans. That's rude, Brownie. That's rude. You should never do that. Okay? Should never have done that. Alright? Come on, say hello to the fans. Not allow me to touch her. Alright, I'm gonna leave her. Plumber TV, remember to like, subscribe and share. Alright, so here we have some younglings. Wanna say hello for the fans? Say hello for the fans. Nobody want to say hello for the fans? Alright, I don't know if it's the girl around here. I'm sure they'll want to say hello for the fans. Sure they'll want to say hello for the fans. These girls. Good morning, girls. Want to say hello for the fans? Come, come. I'm just here. I didn't walk with any food, so you guys don't need to be angry with me. Okay? I'm gonna come and clean out the pen before. I'm just coming to say hi. Nobody wants to talk to me? See all these girls? All them. Beautiful young ladies. Who want to come and say hi to the fans? Nobody? Everybody just want to be mean? Nobody want to be kind? Hey, come here. Say hello for Plumber TV. Tell them to hi. Like, subscribe and share. Nobody? Alright, bye ladies. You all shy in the morning. Alright, adios. You posing for the picture? Pose for the picture. A lot of girls. Hello, mommy. How are you? Wanna say hi for the fans? Say hi for the fans? Nice lady. Say hi for me now. Brownie. Yeah, say hi. Brownie, your sister over there, so? Hmm? Say hi for the Plumber TV fans. Say something. Say something for the fans then. Yeah, you just want to eat, you know, and fight. Say something for the fans then. Hmm? Nah, something for the fans then. Yeah, ja. Alright. I have our next pregnant lady over here, so. She, you know. Something to the camera now. Something to the camera, man. Nah, something for the camera. Something the camera, man. Alright, people. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. Plumber TV. Just showing you a few of the goods we have on the farm. Mommy has said hello to the grill. So remember to like, subscribe, and share. Follow us on YouTube, TikTok, Plumber TV. Plumber TV. So we're here again. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. So we have some chickens here. Here on the farm. The night still putting in the work. They have just been fed. You know these chickens, they'll eat all night. All night they keep going. So these ones are about 2 weeks old. And we have some younger ones on the other side. Let's go over. Remember to like, subscribe, and share on my TV. Remember, like, subscribe, share on my TV. Here we have some younger ones. These ones are out 2 weeks old. No, these are the younger ones. There they are. So I've just finished oiling the pen for the goats. We had some termites problems, so I'm just showing you some chickens that we have on the farm. Trying to give you guys a good view. As you can see, it's in the night. It's dark over. We have a few lights on the farm. We're doing some work today. Right there was plowed. I was by the pen doing some oiling. Just finished and making a video for you guys. Hope you guys will like it. So here are the young chicks. Let me get a better view for you guys. Yes. They never stop eating. Wow. Look at them. One greedy bunch. So most of the chickens are gathered on this side. I'm wondering if the feed on this side is better tasting, or there is something in the water on this side and you can see lesser on that side. I don't know why. Or they don't like the light. Probably they don't like the light. In my background you can hear what we call cricket or grasshopper. Yes, so you know we are in deep rural Jamaica. These things should be going to their beds, but they're eating plumber farm money away. Look at them. It's about getting some shut eye and getting some rest. So over there is hillside. You can see the sky is dark, but when you're on the farm you still have to put in the work in the night. you know, to make sure everything is in order. Make sure ensure the animals are alright. So over here, it's zinc. Try to keep out water because when the rain falls, the rain comes from that direction. I don't want the chickens to get wet. That will affect the investment, and we don't want that to happen. Else we won't have any chickens to sell. So, as I said, Plumber TV, remember to like, subscribe, share, give us your support, and you should comment. Let us know what we're doing wrong or what we need to improve on, what we're doing well, what should we continue doing. Alright? Seems as if some bellies are full. Some of them are sitting down. Wow, it's a miracle. People are actually full. So I'm gonna leave this side and I'm gonna go over to the side with the goats.